Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to yet another session of BMC's YouTube live stream. My name is Tom Nurse, and I'm your moderator. Our guest today is Jeff Cole, who is a senior software consultant at BMC Software. Welcome, Jeff. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Tom. Thanks for asking.
All right, good to hear it. Today, Jeff is going to lead the discussion on BITS, or BMC Install Planning Tool for z/OS. Now note at the bottom of your screen is a chat window. Ask your questions at any time, and we'll go over them near the end of this session. All right, with that, it's all yours, Jeff.
Thanks, Tom. So as Tom indicated, today I'm going to introduce you to BMC's installation planning tool for z/OS, affectionately referred to as BITS. BITS is a result of customer feedback regarding the current BMC installation process, and the thinking is that it can be complex and time-consuming. This results in the increased costs to the business for both BMC and its clients. BMC is committed to improving the overall customer experience, including the install process, and we believe BITS is a step in the right direction. BITS collects and organizes key information to ensure installation success. It also delivers improved consistency and durability of results, eliminating the need to go back and do rework to change values that should have been specified in a different way. BITS is a web-based planning tool that leverages the most current technologies, and it's similar to the BMC installation system in the way it's presenting the data. BITS is designed for the collection of values that can affect the delivery outcome, such as high-level qualifiers, port assignments, or specific dataset names. BITS currently supports DB2 and MainView products on z/OS, although future consideration is given to the inclusion of IMS and cost optimization solutions. BITS improves the overall installation process by organizing values in logical ways and encouraging the discussion of deployment, and management considerations that can be impacted by the specification of values in the installation system. BITS is designed to be a collaborative effort between the BMC software consultant and the customer. It's set up in an interview type format, questions and answers. It is recommended the customer review the questions prior to the interview so they can resolve any unknown values. Once that's done, the customer should reach out to the BMC software consultant to complete the plan and interview. At that time, the BMC software consultant will record the information into BITS. When you first enter BITS, you'll see a display like this. In the upper left-hand corner, note there's a plus sign with a circle around it. This is the Create a New Configuration button. If we click that, we'll begin to enter the dialog to select our products. BITS will display the products by categories such as this. Note to the left of the entries, there's a greater than sign or a chevron. We can click on that to expand to show the products underneath that product family. And here we'll see a list of all the products that are available to us to install. We'll go through these lists and select only the ones that we're interested in including, and then we'll click Create, and he'll generate the questions appropriate to only those solutions. And we'll see a display like this. Now across the top we have 4 tabs. We have a Setup tab, a Common Infrastructure tab, a DB2 tab, and a MainView tab. For all installations there will be a Setup and a Common Infrastructure tab. The DB2 and MainView tabs will be displayed only as appropriate for your product selections. Now in the body of this display, you'll note that we have the labels for the values and then fields where you can specify the values themselves. In the fields where you specify the values, we provide you with suggested values so that you can more clearly understand how that value might be used and what's a logical specification for that field. Once you've completed the plan and interview, we need to save the values that have been input to a JSON file, and we do that by using the Save icon. If we want to print the formatted file to a PDF, we can do so using the Print button. And here's an example of how BITS produces the output. So we organize the output by the panels that are displayed in the installation system, so the sequence is preserved, and then we show you the label for the field as well as the specified value. So that's what I have for you today. Tom, are there any questions in the chat window?
Really good stuff, Jeff. I'm scrolling through here and I see, let's see, I see how do we move forward with this?
That's a really good question. The first stop would be to contact your BMC ZOS software consultant. If you don't know who that person is, you can reach out to anyone on the BMC team and they'll find that person for you and put you in touch.
Great. Okay, it looks like that's it for questions. So that brings us to the end of this session. And I want to thank Jeff for lending his expertise and to let our participants know that your feedback is valuable to us. So please send us your comments. And if you want to be notified of upcoming events, simply subscribe to this channel. And finally, if you liked what you saw, then hit that like button. All right, we'll see you in the near future with more YouTube live stream sessions featuring BMC's mainframe products. Thank you for joining us, and bye-bye for now.